In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.bawix.com. We'll start right from a clean slate so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. In the results, look for the official Wix website. Choosing the official result keeps you on a secure, up-to-date path and avoids any confusing lookalikes. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Wix account before you can continue to your site's workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard at manage.wix.com. This is your command center for everything related to your site. If you manage more than one site, take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct one by glancing at the site name and thumbnail. From here, look for the option labeled Design Site. Clicking Design Site takes you straight into the visual editing environment where you can control the look and feel of your website. Think of it as your shortcut to the creative tools you'll use most often. Inside the Wix editor, your goal is to find and open the color picker. You'll typically see this in the Design panel, often under Themes, Site Design, or a palette icon. Open it up, and you'll see your site colors and the tools to adjust them. The color picker lets you choose from preset palettes or enter exact values using hex, RGB, or HSB, which is perfect if you have brand guidelines. As you select colors, keep an eye on how elements in the editor update in real time. If you're using global or theme colors, updates will ripple across text, buttons, and backgrounds that are linked to those colors, keeping your design consistent without hunting through each page. A quick tip for professional results. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability. Dark text on a light background, or vice versa, helps visitors read comfortably and supports accessibility. You can also hover over or explore suggested combinations in the palette to maintain harmony across your site. If you're refining a brand look, start with your primary color, then choose a complementary accent for buttons and links, and use neutral tones for backgrounds to let your content stand out. That's it. You searched for Wix on Google to get to the official site, entered your dashboard and chose Design Site, then opened the color picker in the editor to fine-tune your palette. Follow these steps, and you'll have a cohesive, on-brand color system that carries through your entire website.